so we're back at it again. Me and Trey are headed to the property. We are gonna try to fill another tag this evening. It is 2 o'clock, pretty much on the money. So it'll take us a couple more minutes to get there, get our stuff on, take off. So let's get on it. Alright guys, time check is 2:18. We just now got to the woods. We got a pretty good idea where these gobblers are at. There's a ridge on the very back side of this property where Trent actually killed his bird. I had to go up there and use that as a strut zone. So the past few evenings that we've been in here, we've always seen one gobbler by himself. So fingers crossed he's gonna be like that this afternoon. So let's get it. Sounded like a real loud squirrel bark, but I couldn't tell. That sounded like a yen like clucking. It might, yeah. I guess Lindsay's up to this point right here. We'll sit down. Yeah, I guess those were like $80. Well, we just got set up in here. We was making our way up this finger ridge here to where we thought the turkeys were gonna be. And sure enough, about the time we topped it here, we was going super slow, but by the time we topped it, we seen about 5 redheads run the other way. We dropped to the ground and started calling and trying to calm them down, but they hadn't left, so we're thinking it's just a group of jakes. But this is the exact tree that we sat at when Trent killed his bird Saturday. So we're hoping it brings us some luck. We're going to hang tight for a couple hours and maybe they'll come back through, so y'all stay with us. Baby.
Dude, I had to thread that needle. You clubbed. He picked the head up and I let her eat.
They came right into that call.
Dude.
Right into it.
Give me some, right?
That's what I'm talking about, baby. Good job, man.
I throttled. Dude, these 410s are no joke. Can I take this off now? I'm freaking dying. Oh, give me some.
That's what I'm talking about, baby.
I just throttled him.
That was awesome.
Only my second turkey ever.
Really?
Second turkey ever.
Good job.
What time you got? What time is it?
4:13.
2 hours, baby. 2
Talking
hours.
about, brother. They came right into that damn call.
Yes. Dude, we said it. We called it. We said it's such a pretty afternoon. If we get in here and just sit still and be quiet, it was gonna happen.
And it did.
Came in, spooked. I'm assuming it's the same group of Jake. Spooked them. Had that hen come up a holler. And she got kind of uneasy and left. Then they come up. We thought they were gobblers, and they were right on top of us. And Trent picked one out, and I let her eat. Man, he got my heart pumping. I'm here to tell you. I'm here to tell you right now. You got your trophy hunters out there, but this is what we hunt for. We hunt for the memories, and to successfully harvest the legal bird is just. It's just awesome. Unders and snow way to put it. Had a hen come up the holler, just a clucking away, and she got kind of spooked and she eased off. Next thing I know, Trent said, "Don't move, here they come." And we thought they were 2 big longbeards, and it was 5. They were all jakes, right?
5 or 6 jakes.
They were 5 or 6 jakes. They got within what, 30 yards?
Yeah.
And Trent was like, "Dude, kill it, kill it, kill it." And I said, "Pick the best one out." And he said, the one right there in the middle." I said, "Call." He called, he stuck his head up, and I just schwacked him. They fought that dead Jake. I swear, dude, we got it all on film.
Yeah.
They sat there and fought, like, beat him to death.
Say hey to the camera, E.
Rep it, son, rep it.
Yeah, those are the new hats if y'all are wondering.
Rep it.
That's your granny's sweet apples that he's going on my wall on a fan mount. I promise you that. That's what I was telling the camera just a minute ago. I said, a lot of people out there like to just trophy hunt, but by God, we hunt for the memories. It's all about being successful in the woods, whether if you kill nothing or not, or if you kill the biggest bird in the woods or the smallest bird in the woods. But he come in acting like a grown man. He got shot like a grown man. They're right there.
You see him?
No, but I hear him up there putting. Alright, dude, well, I'm gonna get off here and we'll holler back at you.
Alright, man.
Alright, dude, we'll see you.
How pretty.
It is gorgeous.
It's the bluest head.
I told you, nothing's prettier than a wild eastern.
Makes you just want to sit here and look at him, don't it? I mean, just gorgeous.
Well, let's get him out.
I'll be able to do this like we have been, man.
Don't get me wrong, a deer gets me fired up. But a wild eastern walking through the hardwoods and the mountains of North Georgia, oh, get you fired up.
It will every time.
We're gonna speak some truth on this real quick. Talking about, you know, everybody always wants to be a trophy hunter. There's a lot of people that's sucking the joy out of hunting nowadays because they want to care about how old he is, or how big his rack is, or how long his spurs are, or how long his beards are. Like,
And that's all fine and good that you want to, you know, kill big animals. That's obviously everybody's goal. But, you know, when somebody harvests a legal animal, you know, it's their tags. You can't belittle people for harvesting legal animals. Because if we got hunters against hunters, there's not going to be any hunters around in 20, 25 years.
Nope.
You know, we got to stick together and, you know, keep everybody driven to go out. I mean, no, he's not the biggest bird that's in these woods today, but you know what? He made me happy. He come in like a grown man. He got shot like a grown man. He filled one of my tags. He's going to be good on the Blackstone. We're going to do a fan mount with him, and I'm tickled to death. You know, so.
I'm happy for you, man.
That's, you know.
Happy for you.
People just belittle other people or other hunters all the time for not shooting the biggest thing in the woods, and it's like, what does it matter? You know?
Exactly.
So you didn't buy their tags. You didn't go out and, I mean, I'll be honest with you, I was second guessing myself this afternoon how hot it was. Sitting in that mask, it felt like I was in a sauna. I was out here sweating, but it all paid off.
It did. Indeed.